This is Gordon Dave from Transformation Partners. I will be demonstrating our free employee profile app. This app will help you to complete Form EA12, which is the barrier analysis form for the Department of Labour, but also to interpret your data when reporting to the Department of Labour on an annual basis using Form EA2. So in this app, the first thing you will do is to insert your data. The worksheet called Paste Data is used for this purpose. You'll see we have employee number, full name, job title, occupational level, race, gender, disabled, and nationality. Those are the fields. You will just download this information and copy and paste into the table provided. Now, obviously your definitions of occupational levels or race or gender may differ from the next companies, so for that you will go to the menu and then settings. So under settings you will see we provide the standard definitions for race, gender, disability, occupational levels, but then you can also enter your own definition. For instance, if you're using the Patterson broadbands, you put in band B, and that would be semi-skilled, so we can copy from the standard definition, and we'll say that is called my definition. Okay, so for each of the data fields, you can map your own information. So if you have countries instead of foreign as the indicator for nationality, you can just make a list of the countries here and apply the definition. Same with disability data. Okay, so back to the menu. This information is then compared to the economically active population, or the EAP. We have captured the latest EAP information for you in the EAP table, and this is updatable, so you could every year when the new profile is released, you can just update this profile. Okay, we go back to the menu. So from the information that you have pasted into the Paste Data sheet, you can then see your employment equity profile. So it's important to look at the total. Let's say you pasted 1,000 records here, you will see it under records found. Then you have to double check that the profile adds up to 1,000 people here. If not, it means one of your definitions did not map. Okay, on this screen you can also then compare the overall total of all employees to the economically active population, and you can select which province is most suitable for your analysis. So if you're a mine in the Northern Cape, you choose the Northern Cape and use that economically active profile to compare your data. Also have the profile for people with disabilities. Okay, back to the menu. Then we can look at the Department of Labour's analysis of the economically active population on your profile, and you will see it will show you the categories where you are over or underrepresented compared to the profile that you select. So whichever provincial or national profile you choose. Then the final bit of the app is to do the workforce profile analysis. This is Form EA12 in the regulations for employment equity. And here you have to do an analysis of each occupational level, like top management, senior management, etc., and compare your own profile to the economically active population. Below that you can write comments to then note where you have over or underrepresentations, and include strategies of how the underrepresentation of designated groups will be addressed in your employment equity plan. So that's it, folks. That's our free employee profile analysis app. Enjoy.